Hello guys, welcome to Python Django series. In this video, I demonstrate the views.py files. In the last video, I created a customized database and I migrated it. Inside the student app, we can see a migration folder, and inside the migration folder, we can see initial.py files. These files was created when we migrated our customized database model. If you go inside the initial.py file, you can see all the information about the newly created database. In our database, we created two tables. One is department and another is student info. And in the department table, we created two database field. One is ID and another is department name. In the similar way, we declared ID student name, ID number, age, CGPA, and department under the student info table. Let's see the views.py. The views.py file works like a controller of the project. Inside the views.py file, we write all the programming logic. I write a very simple function, def. The function name is home, and we should put a parameter request, and just return a HTTP request. Return HTTP response, and I just return a HTML headline. Just opening tag h1 welcome home. Let's close the HTML tag h1. Okay, and I need to import the HTTP response from Django.shortcuts. Now I need to write a URL path to map with the function. Otherwise, it will not work. Inside the test project, we can see a url.py. This is the root URL of this project, and I would like to create another URL files inside the student app. Let's create it. urls.py. The file already created, and just copy the code and paste it here. And I don't need this library, and I don't need this one right now. Just remove from here. Okay, just remove it like this. First, I need to do one important thing, to import the home function from views.py files. Let's do it. From .views import home. Okay, write the path home, then the function name home, that means this one. Then we should provide a path name. I put the same name like home. Okay, Now I need to register this newly created URL file here. First I need to import a library which is called include, and then I just register the newly created URL path here. I don't want to write anything here, then just write include, okay, then single quote, and then app name which is student here, student dot URLs. It means we want to connect this URL file. Okay, just save it. I'll save it here. Okay, let's run the project. Okay, it's already running. Let's just copy it, this one. Let's go to the browser and just paste it here. Oh, sorry, you should put a slash and just press the enter button. Okay, just interrupt the python manage.py run server. Okay, let's check it. Okay, welcome home. Nice. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope we will see in the next video. And in the next video we will discuss about a simple CRUD applications. Have a nice day. Bye.